Khur Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mawyongrim. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Hakasin ka Nyngkong kikena puli ka St. Peter's Secondary School Mawpat Shillong, kilayo mi kaman, iya ka school, haka enter school East Castle District Judo Championship Arch Open Rio. Kilayo Khur, hinyaw tuli kita kama. Kata, lai tuli kita kamaksiar, kawai kita kama rupa, but lai tuli kita kama renong, haka ni kalumpung ili akay, kabrang syukut aka shitarik na ilar Arch Open Rio. Ya kabala pelong, daka East Castle Judo Association. Kikena puli jong ka ni ka school, Kibalayo Khur takamaksiar, haka ni karensan ili akay, kilong. Justin marang, ka ibina karkrang, baru Rafael Terence Warjari. Katba kalawanda shisha karngor, kalayo Khur ya katakama rupa, palaingot kiwaipan, kibayo Khur ya katakama renong, kilong, ka amiti nong rum. Rafael Marwen, baru Justin marang. Kum kajing sungu pa kajing ay mensiem, ya kajing wanra burom jeng kini kikena, kibor penya jeng ke skul. Kila penkup burom, haka jinggalang kablalong, haka lai terik nailar ahaja Open Rio. The principal of Father John Paul Lingdo. Ringkat kajing sakilang kinong hikai, kikena skul baru head coach uba balam perang karkengor. Haka ni kasengi, ka skul kila penkup burom ru, ya uhame daman bah karkengor. Ukena skul ubalayo ekanam best player, haka lumpung ili akai basketball, North East Championship, belapelong dak Sien Youth Movement.
As I came first day in the school for demonstrate, principal allowed and accept our proposal for introducing judo in the school. From the first day, we have a lot of students who register in the St. Peter Judo Academy. We have like 20 students, but in the next week, on the days come, most of them they were absent. They don't have interest in judo, but now we have, while we represent the inter-school East Castle Judo Championship, we have only 6 students. And I am very proud that all of them have secured medal, have got a medal. We have got 3 gold, 1 silver, and 2 bronze. This is the kind of information that the St. Peter Secondary School, they have been in the 5th place of the inter-school district judo championship. Congratulations. And for those who have dropped out from the judo class, I would like to request you, because I have seen like 2-3 of the students, they have the build-up, they have the technique, and the future in the judo is very, like they have the future in the judo, like not only in the East Castle. As I said before, you are not only in East Castle, you are not represented only in the East Castle. This is the beginning. And in next month we will have the sub-junior national in Ludhiana. All that gold medal or silver medal will have the coaching camp. So from the St. Peter Secondary School, 3 of them, they will get to come for the coaching camp for the sub-junior national championship. And I was the parents who allowed your student, you allow your son and your daughter to come and train judo. Judo is just not a sport. Judo teach you how to fall down, after fall down, how to get up. Judo teach you the respect, discipline, and courage. As I used to say, sport is the agenda of employment. And now, one of my friends who played judo with me, he is in the police department as a DSP. And we are going to talk with the government as we have They are all India Police Championship. So most of the judo player, they'll get to represent from the police. So hope you'll stay in the judo and train hard with discipline, and you'll secure not only in the state and also in national. And judo, there is lots of competition, championship. In the December, we'll have the School Game Federation of India. So in that School Game Federation of India, so we have the selection. We have the Hilo India. We have senior, sub-junior and junior national. So be prepared, be your mind prepared, your body prepared, and I'll give you 100%. Even you, please give me 100%. Thank you so much.
Okay, it is great pride and immense joy that I congratulate our talented judo students for their outstanding performance at the inter-school district judo competitions. So let us give them a round of applause. Dear students, your medal are not a result of unwavering dedication, discipline, training, perseverance, and the courage to give your very best. But achieving this success, you have not only made yourself proud, but have only brought great honor to our school. I would also like to extend my heartfelt congratulations and sincere appreciation to our esteemed judo coach. Your commitment, your passion, your guidance, and tireless effort have played a vital role in shaping this young athlete into confident and successful competitors. Your dedication had been instrumental in this remarkable achievement. I also thank the parents and the teachers who are constantly support and also give the encouragement to motivate our students to excel both in sports and in their life. To our dear champions, remember that every medal is a milestone, not the destination. Continue to work hard, stay disciplined, remain humble in success, and keep aiming for greater heights. I am confident that you will continue to achieve the excellent and bring more proud to our school. On behalf of the entire school of St. Peter's Secondary, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to our medal winners and our dedicated coach, Sir Bashampang Karkungor, who accompanied the students. We are proud especially for our future competitions. Congratulations to our champions and to our coach who is with us. Keep striving, keep succeeding, and keep our school proud. Thank you. I remain.
Please give a big round of applause. Again, another round of applause. Round of applause. Sir Valentine Karkungor and Sir Alvarez. Please give a big round of applause to Sir Alvarez.
Pidan dukan marbam, ndai. Compare, laka berid, kaba pidi harut surok, ni kabahe, kum ki restaurant, bat kiway, ni pishat roti, shat cake, bat kiway, naka benta ka koit kakya, jonggi pat ba, nong bam nong di. Pat ba pinyo ka jingshanya, naki, pidan kam bandon deka license, kaba paka, kabala itho daka an, kata, ka Food Safety and Standards Act, arajar henril, link back section, lai puway, iway. Kamde ka ba bapinyo ka license, pila ba na-apply ko online, link ba ko website, foscas.fssai.gov.in, da ka ba pihap pan-upload ru, ikikot kisla ba dan kam, kat kum kajajing kam, jong pi. Pila ru banyak kendo, iki designated officers lani food safety officers, kibadan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district kibadan hamigalaya, latno tang ha is kasihers. Pila banlet bed siya ka office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety kibadan halowa lachumya. Nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di. Lawan Rasha P, daga Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Bat Balakrishnan, daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.